Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today we're going to talk about summer, kids, and fun activities. The summer is starting, kids are off school, they have more time, and you need to feed them, entertain them, and keep them happy and healthy. So let's see how we can do all of that at the same time. Let's review some recipe ideas that will keep them engaged. Would you like them to set up a lemonade stand and make some money? Or you just want to quench their thirst? Either way, you can make a lemonade in the Thermomix in just 2 minutes with just 2 lemons. You don't even need to squeeze them. The Thermomix will turn the sugar or a substitute into powder in 10 seconds, and then it will make lemonade out of 2 lemons. Yes, that you just had to cut in half. That's it! You can make watermelon lemonade, mint lemonade, pink lemonade, red, white, and blue frozen lemonade for 4th of July, and much more. Okay, so now let's say that we have a ton of kids at home, or the whole family, or you are preparing an event or a birthday. I have a great idea for you. Once I bought these cute aprons and chef hats on Amazon with color rolling pins and mini pizza bases, and we had an amazing party. Yes, you can make the dough in the Thermomix in 3 minutes. Yep, from scratch. And while the dough is proofing, you can play a game with them. Maybe you can decorate the aprons or jump in the pool, and then have all the possible ingredients on the table and have the kids roll and make their own pizzas. They will love the fact that they made their own. Just a little tip, keep track of who made each pizza, because once they are in the oven all together, it's easy to get confused and mix them up. And trust me, the kids know which one they made. A variant to this party is the hot dogs in a blanket. I did this once for teenagers when we were on a vacation, and they loved it. In this case, you cut the dough in strips and you roll the hot dog in them. It's really fun. The following day, they asked me to make more for them, so I did. And let's not talk about the savings. I fed more than 10 teenagers with very basic ingredients, and everyone was happy. One more party I had? Yes, we went to Arizona to a dance competition. Yes, I was a dance mom, and I brought 2 Thermomixes to a hotel suite to see how many kids I could feed. We made chicken tacos and spaghetti carbonara. We fed about 15 kids lunch and dinner, and we still made pancakes and steamed carrot cake for breakfast the next morning. We saved a ton of money on that trip. Okay, let's say on summer ideas. It's hot outside, right? You can also make frozen fruit sorbet. It's crazy. You just need frozen fruit, sugar or a substitute, and for this recipe, banana. And that's it. It's made in 2 minutes. Imagine, Mom, what's for dessert? Oops, give me 2 minutes, hon. I have it ready. I didn't forget. Yes, you did, but it's okay. You can also make all sorts of ice creams. Yes, ice cream. Every time I list the things you can do with a Thermomix, people get stuck on the ice cream fact. They go, really? And I, yes. You still need the freezer, of course. Most ice cream recipes have fruit or chocolate or caramel that you make from scratch in the Thermomix, or vanilla, syrup, etc. Then many recipes add heavy whipping cream, and most will go in the freezer for a few hours or overnight. For example, when you make Italian gelato, most of the time you will chop the ice cream with the Thermomix again in the morning to give it that amazing texture. Now let's eat real food. Yes, you can make pastas and every sauce you may want the pasta to go with. Pesto, marinara, alfredo. You can make mac and cheese. You can make super easy rice recipes. See a few pictures here. All family favorites. And you can also hide veggies everywhere. Try these recipes. Your kids will love them. And the sooner they get used to eating every vegetable, the healthier they'll be for life. Want to start them early? You can make baby food. Check out these collections. They are adorable, aren't they? For babies and for toddlers. Think of all the money you can save when you're not buying those pre-made baby meals in jars. But you don't have to be a baby to enjoy purees. The mashed potatoes made in the Thermomix are out of this world. I always recommend making mash as soon as you get a Thermomix. The texture is unbelievable, and still a great way to hide veggies. This steamed broccoli mash really surprised me. It's delicious. I think I'm gonna make it today. Okay, and even though we're talking about summer recipes, I still need to mention the amazing soups your kids can enjoy year-round. From creamy soups like the vegetable soup, tomato soup, and many veggie creams, to many colorful, super healthy options, including my favorite chicken fajita soup. And talking about fajitas, you can make actual super healthy fajitas in the Varoma. And of course, you can make tacos of all kinds. Chicken tacos, vegetable tacos, cauliflower tacos, beef tacos, fish tacos, and yes, you can make quesadillas. Kids love them, right? What else? My daughter loves the steamed eggs sunny side up, and I love that they're easy and I don't need to even use oil. You can make many types of omelets in the Varoma, and another fun egg recipe, you can make cloud eggs. They're really cute. With Thermomix, you can grind beef too, so you can make burgers for the whole family. You can have tons of recipes to keep it interesting, and once you have the perfect mixed patty, you can put it in the grill. A little tip, steam the corn on the cob in the Varoma. You can eat them right after, or you can sear them in the grill really quick, and they are delicious. You can also make meatballs. Steam them for a healthier, yummier result while the sauce is cooked in the bowl. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry now. I need to stop making this video. Another big surprise I had when I started using Thermomix was the chicken nuggets. Oh my gosh, I have never tried a nugget that tasted so much like real food and not all those empty, greasy fried shells that you can buy frozen. And the same goes for the fish fingers. Make your own. Totally worth it. Okay, so now it's breakfast time. Do you know you can make pancakes in just a few minutes? You still need the griddle or a pan, but the batter is made in no time. I actually use one of these when I don't feel like I'm covering my stove. Yep, I don't use my stove anymore. I have tried all sorts of pancake recipes, regular ones, chocolate ones, even a zucchini and ricotta pancake that was amazing, or a green smoothie one. I can make waffles, of course, and crepes, and bagels, and even donuts. Wait, we're getting sweeter and sweeter here. I can make cinnamon rolls so easy, and any type of cookie you can think of, really, keep thinking, and cupcakes, galore, etc. Of course, the Thermomix makes the batter, provides the recipe on the screen, and most times you finish the recipe in the oven. I never asked you to get rid of your oven, but other times you finish the recipe in the Varoma. Steamed cakes are amazingly moist and good. And birthday cakes, of course! I haven't bought a birthday cake in years. I make them all at home and they are amazing. See some ideas here. What else can we make for our kids? We can make peanut butter from scratch in less than a minute. And the cool thing about it is that the ingredients are just peanuts and a little bit peanut oil. That's it! No conservatives. You know exactly what you're eating. And it's cheaper, of course. To that list of things made from scratch, you can add mayonnaise, ketchup, yam, yogurt. I'm not saying you have to make it all from scratch. I'm just saying you can. We're almost done. Let's see. You can make chocolate pudding in 8 minutes or vanilla custard. I cannot choose. Let's keep entertaining. What about making frozen pops or yogurt pops? Popsicles, your own candy. Yes! And even gummies. And last but not least, since we're talking kids here, for Halloween we can make all sorts of ghosts. Merengue ghosts, biscuit ghosts, witches' fingers, hats, webs, and mummies. So seriously, priceless, right? And this was just inspired by kids. Don't get me started on a list of ideas for date night or how to lose weight or for baking contests. I have so many videos I need to make. Anyway, whatever you're craving, I can make it. And I don't even know how to cook. Remember, I'm the tummy cook. So I hope you're now ready for your summer fun. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you're ready to own a Thermomix, follow my purchase link. It will give you free shipping. And contact me so I can follow up with you and help you through your Thermomix journey. Now, if your consultant sent you this video, then call them right away. Thank you so much.